is here. So this is a very cold weather, and of course it's a rainy weather. And sometimes ago, we enjoyed a very suitable rain. And of course, this is that's why I'm saying. And there are so many winds are coming from this direction. And also here you can see the very nice sky. And these are very. There are so many clouds, black clouds. Also a little white things we can see on the sky. And totally, it's amazing actually. And because you can see there are some clouds, black clouds, and because some times ago, there was a rain. And of course you will tell me that, did you enjoy also the raining in your city? Okay, anyway, you can see also here a very good the transports are going, and vehicles, there are cycles also, motorcycles, and also another types of vehicles are going in this place. And this is a very beautiful scenery. And I'm in a rooftop, that's why we can see. And also here are so many buildings, so many natural looks, uh, gardens, trees, and very large buildings. And wow, look at the building there. There is a very beautiful lights. Okay, um, so many lights, like green, yellow. I don't know you can see that, but I can see. Okay, so I think you all can see that. And also there are so many huge buildings. And also I think you can see there is a field. Okay, the name is the 18 field. And okay, anyway, we are in mainly Alamdanga. This is the sub district of Chuadanga district. Okay, so as a sub district, this is very beautiful, which I like. Of course, I'm here and I like this. I like it very much, and so I think you all liked it very much. So also, I told you a question. Of course, you will tell me the answer of that in the comment box. So that's it for today.